Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Amy of Crafty Cat's 50 Stack Challenge, and our prompts for this week for cards 13 and 14. For 13 it's thread, and I'm going to use some of this embroidery floss, and I may sew around it. I'm going to make this tag into a Christmas tag. And the number 14 is corrugated cardboard, and I've already torn a little bit off of that, and I think I'm going to do a steampunk tag for this one. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. I'll have both listed in my description box down below. So without further ado, let's get started. finished. I love how they turned out, and I hope you do too. I've got my thread, and like I said, I was going to do a Christmas, I said tag, but this is more of a journaling card. And I just made a little wreath out of the embroidery floss and just added few little blings to make the wreath pretty. And I sewed around the card, and I think it is so cute, and I love the steampunk. I put a little gesso over the background and the corrugated cardboard, and then I made the little steampunk heart pop up with some foam dots. And I've got to do a steampunk journal. I love it. I think it's so cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. And until next time, bye y'all.